we wake, hear the birds and see the sun, side by side.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in. So today guys, we are cleaning my living room, and finally I am changing my curtains after I think a year. I think it's a year already that I've been with the stone curtains, but finally, alhamdulillah, I was able to get new curtains now, so I'm happy. Yeah, so that's what we're doing on this video. Also just be kind of like be putting some new decoration in my living room, nothing major, but just just making it, just upgrading it a bit. Yeah. So guys, my curtains have been here for like a month or more than a month already since we've put them. I did choose color white, especially the lace. I wanted white, but it's a thick lace. It's a good quality lace, but it's just not bringing enough lighting like my previous lace. I don't know what did I do here, but yeah, it is what it is. So I washed my carpet. Yeah, so I'll put this rug here. This rug I bought it at China Mall. It was 150, and some people who usually will go and stock in China Mall and come and sell it aside, I think they're selling it with for 500 rand. Yeah, it's light, but I feel like if you like, for me, I need a bigger rug than this, but I just like it. I like the color. If it was bigger, I will actually even be putting it again, but yeah, it's too small. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone, and don't leave the lights on for me. So guys, this floor waste spray mop, I think I bought it like a year ago. I hardly use it. Usually we'll use it on weekends, because on weekends like we don't do like hard work. Yeah, but my floors must be clean. If my floors are dirty, I don't trust that this mop actually does the job. I've seen a lot of people, they use it, but I don't know, maybe I'm still like backwards. I really do not trust if my floors are really dirty to use it for cleaning. But my living room, the floors were clean on this day when I was cleaning, so that's why. And also, you know, it's easy when you don't have so much energy to clean, just to, you know, it's just easy and fast, and yeah, than the other mop that you will usually see me using. And yeah, but now I have a new mop, that bucket one. I don't know the name of it. Got it as a present. Yeah, so I just felt like, you know what, to use that also. I still need to put so much energy to use that mop, so that's why I was just using this, and it was easy.
Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
So there on the spray, I didn't put much, guys. I just put sunlight liquid, that's all.
It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you.
So for cleaning, I like to use this Clean Up multi-purpose bleach cleaner. As they say, it kills 99% of germs. Yeah, so my TV, my son loves touching my TV. He touches while he's eating, like there's always like small hands with oil and whatever, like, yeah, so I like to, you know, clean it with this first. But on this day I didn't have window lean. Usually I will start with the jig, the Clean Up, just to clean up nicely for germs, and then come with the window lean because it cleans the glasses and, you know, all this shiny surface nicely. Then the jig, yeah, jig is not for that. I just clean it so that, you know, it kills some germs there on the
Rather
TV.
be with you.
And yeah, I'm using Mr. Shin, guys. The scent is spring fresh. It smells really good. You must try it.
I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
So guys, I bought this mirror yesterday. It was 139 at Pep, and I'm thinking now I need 3 of them. This is actually a prayer. It was a second-hand frame, which I think I can give it to someone now. But I feel like it just doesn't go together now. So I'm thinking I must go get 2 more since it was very cheap. I mean, mirrors are expensive. Only 139 at Pep, guys. That's beautiful. So I think later I'll go and get another 2 and put them here.
Like you always do.
So this time it was getting late. I had to go prepare lunch. Yeah, so I stopped because, you know, guys, doing a video, it takes forever also, you know, plus also cleaning. Yeah, so I stopped from here. And yeah, okay guys, so I do use, like I said earlier on, my son touches everything, especially this table. I think he thinks this is his own table. He plays here, he drops his milk here, like on purpose, guys, not even by mistake. He does it on purpose. So he does a lot of things here on this table. So I like to use this Splash Supreme wooden furniture oil for my wood, like for my tables and anything that is like 100% wood in my house. Yeah, as it gives it more food, you know. But Mr. Shin doesn't, unfortunately. And I like my wood must be a bit shiny. Like, you must see that you actually gave it some food. Guys, I'm just quickly going to take it out this frame. Okay guys, so what I've decided is I got these flake plants at Cheese. So now I'm thinking I'm just going to put it here in my frame, just to close where there was a big frame. If that even makes sense. Oh my god, this thing. Let's see if it will fit. Then I'm going to use the same paper. Actually, these frames were left last time when I made my daughter's room. How does it look? I think it's not bad. I think it's nice. Let's see. My mirrors are not exactly the same level, but I mean, you have to really be looking to really see. Oh my god, my son. Okay guys, I don't know how it looks. I'm not sure if it looks good. But anyway, when I get money, maybe I'll change those small frames on top. I'm not sure how it looks. I'm not sure, and I'm not even sure whether I should even be putting something. Obviously, if those things to hang the frame, where if I could take it out easily, because now when I take it out, I need to take it out and fill in and then repaint those places to make the place look nice. But since I can't do that, yeah, so I've done this. It's okay for now. Okay, I've decided to move my plants from my dining room, since it doesn't have enough lighting coming in. So, but the sitting room, I have enough lighting coming this side, and I feel like with more lighting, the plants are growing very well. I've noticed with my daughter's one, in her room, there's enough lighting. So that's why I've decided to move them this side. These monstera plant, they don't require direct sunlight, but they need, the room must have enough lighting, like enough lighting coming in. So guys, this is the following day. The reason I couldn't finish recording the previous day, it's because I decided on the same day that I need to add more 2 mirrors to complete this video. So that's why, yeah, this is the following day. Just now on this day, I just was doing my carpet. My son had an accident. We are busy with potty training at the moment, so he had an accident somewhere there on the carpet. So I wanted to clean that portion where he had accident, and also my sofas inside. Like, there's so much dirt that gets inside. I don't know how, but I do try to clean my sofas inside down there, maybe once a month or 2 times a month, depending how much I was spending time there. Like on holidays, then I will usually clean it 2 times. So guys, what do you use to clean your leather sofas if it's a genuine leather? My sofa upper is a genuine leather, but on the side it's not a genuine leather. So the upper one, I do use a leather cleaner, but not the one from where I bought the sofa, like from Broadlows. I don't use those ones. I feel like it's just too expensive to use that one. Like, I think it's almost 300 rand, and if I have to clean my sofas like maybe 2 times a week, then it's just too expensive. So I use the cheaper one, or sometimes if I don't have, I use the Dove bar soap. Just put it in the bucket of water, and then I just move it with my hand to create foam. Then I wipe my sofas nicely. Where it's leather though, where it's not leather, I just partly wipe it with like almost dry cloth, because I'm trying to keep that place, like, you know, if it's not leather, if it's fake leather, it doesn't last. And these sofas have been here in my house for more than 10 years, and I must say I've taken good care of them. The only bad side is that I've always had, even in my previous house, I've always had big windows, so the back side is always direct to the sunlight. And yeah, if it's not leather and it's always in the sunlight, it will always crack easily. So yeah, so right now I'm just quickly cleaning where my son made an accident this morning. So I'm just quickly putting bicarbonate of soda, then I'm going to be putting the deformer, the penetrate deformer that prevents buildup when using with water filtration vacuums. So yeah, they advised me I must buy it since I'm using that vacuum cleaner. I must say it smells really good. I think even if you don't have a vacuum cleaner, you can just buy it whenever you're cleaning your carpets, and you can use your carpet cleaner, then you can use the deformer. It just leaves the carpet smelling so good. Yeah, so I like that. And my carpet cleaner, I bought it from, I write it down for you guys, I always forget the name of the shop, but I'm always there. Sometimes the week does not even finish without me going there just to look what is there, not always to buy. I don't have that kind of money to be buying every week. Yeah, so yeah, okay guys, I hope you carry on enjoying this video. Now I'm just gonna be starting to vacuum my carpet. My carpet, I just put it the previous day, right? So it was actually clean. So I'm just doing where my son is usually standing and doing all the things.
When your burdens my name, oh glory of peace. Don't cry for me. If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, go with I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back.
So guys, I'm gonna be putting my new cushions. I've noticed that in the shops, mustard and I forgot this color. This is turquoise and what else? And yellow. Like those bright colors are so in. I'm telling you, everywhere I go, it's there and it looks nice. So I decided on buying this mustard. They are cheap cushions at Sheet Street. I like the colors, but you know what? I would not recommend, if you want quality cushions, to buy at Sheet Street, but the money reasonable. The mustard one were 130 and the gray one were 119. Yeah, 120. Yeah, so quite cheap. And now I'm putting my vanilla refresher just to give it that good smell. Yeah, guys, I think my living room is looking nice now. A bit of update. It wasn't so much major, but I'm loving my new curtains. Although the guy who saw them made so many mistakes, and there's still a mistake, it's just that I'm not showing on this video. Yeah, but he's not a difficult guy, so he said he will fix it. Yeah, and yeah, I hope you got some motivation from this video and also some tips. So guys, I must say I do like anything that is glass, but for now, because I've got a toddler in the house, everything is just minimal. And whenever I go to the shop to buy something new, it should not be breakable. Yeah, so that's why even my coffee table, you can see it's just less decoration, it's just something. And sometimes they move it and he's busy playing the table. So yeah, I didn't buy anything new apart from those green fake plants, just to put something on that thing there. And yeah guys, I'm loving my mirrors. I think yeah, what do you think about those mirrors and those frames on top? I think it looks okay, nice for now, but I'm loving the mirrors. Check them out at Pep. They've got the silver, those ones you see, and they've also got the gold ones. Yeah, both are nice. It depends on your choice, obviously. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for clicking. If it's your first time and you like this kind of content, which is just mommy life content, I like to upgrade my house now and then whenever I can, cleaning, cooking, and I'll be doing more laundry motivations, guys, because this is what like I have a lot of laundry. Like I really do have a lot of laundry in my house. I don't know how, so but I will be doing that more. So thank you so much for clicking in on this video, and do not forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content, and for more good content coming your way. Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye.